And we're back. So let's do this. Just starting up the game. Ignore the debug spam at the start. So using a modular grid snap, setting up some plants. This will be good for things like stacking things on shelves and that kind of deal. So you can do the same thing with other items as well. Let's just snap that there. And we can snap that over to that one and this one over this side. So you can see that like it might make a bit more sense to do like a snap based system. Let's put that on the floor. And then we can pick that last plant up. This all just using name sockets on the meshes, so relatively easy to figure out. So I'll be able to do this for like building items and stuff as well. So yeah, kind of interesting.